Welcome everyone to day 13. And today we are going to learn the different other applications and features which are provided by BuilderAll. Okay, so just quickly, we'll go through each of the tools for which we first log in. And yes, this is the dashboard, okay, or also known as the back office where I can work on the applications which are provided by BuilderAll. So whatever applications which I see here, these are the ones which I've opted out from BuilderAll. Okay, so these are not all the applications of BuilderAll. If I want to see all the applications, I can click on the menu bar applications, and it will give me varied range of applications or the features which are provided by BuilderAll. Okay, and if I want to increase or decrease these options in my back office, then I can click on customize your back office. So once I click on to it, it again gives me the same menu with all the options. So this is the menu bar, and based on that, I can have all these particular options. Okay, so whichever are already installed, if you can see, these are the ones which are already installed because I had opted. If there's something which I want in addition, then I can go here, for example, Telegram. So I just click on it. I understand why it is useful. If I find that yes, I want it, I just click on add and it gets installed for me. At the same time, if there's something which I feel, for example, SMS marketing, I don't need it urgently for some duration, some time, then I can remove it as well. Okay, so that is how of our back office of BuilderAll works for us. Now let's go through each of these applications. Most of the applications now we are acquainted with. We know what is Cheetah Website Builder. Pixel Perfect Builder is also used for designing your professional websites. However, it's an older version, and Cheetah is something new, and that is the reason it's always recommended that we go for Cheetah rather than Pixel. Okay. Next is Telegram, which we just added right now, which is helpful for creating Telegram-based funnels. I hope you all remember what is funnels. We have already spoken about it. Okay. So BuilderAll Canvas is also something we have worked. Email marketing, which we have already seen 2 days back. We also have the feature where we can create beautiful e-commerce store solutions. Okay. So again, it has all the features provided which is required for e-commerce. It's completely drag and drop feature which we can use. Beyond this, we have all the video editing and photo editing options which can be used. Something very creative and exciting thing is the transparent floating videos, where we can actually edit the existing videos and make them really look very professional and attractive for people. So yeah, I do often use this particular feature of BuilderAll. Next is the SEO on page report, one of the important aspect where we can rank our page over the search engines as and when we require based on the using all the required keywords. So yes, this SEO optimization part, which is there, which is taken care by this particular feature, is definitely important for us. All we need to do is we have our own keywords. Based on that, we need to just do fill in the blanks, and it does the remaining work for us. Next is the social auto post app, where it helps us to post the images or videos into multiple social media networks. We need to give our links for different social media, and it will do the other part for us. We have the messenger box, that is the chat bot for Facebook. This one is for Facebook. We have something similar for websites as well. New e-learning platform where we can have all our online courses uploaded. Okay. Video wrappers, again used for video editing. Instagram auto post, autoresponder, as the name suggests. It is something like a chatbot which we can use along with Instagram platform. SMS messaging, if we want to do SMS marketing, yes, we can do it using this particular feature. Webinar builder, I find it slight complex using this particular feature. However, they are trying to improve this, and yes, I soon will be using this particular feature very frequently. Currently, yeah, to be frank, I personally find it slightly difficult. Website chatbot, which we already spoke about, professional emails to create. On similar lines, we have DNS managers for domain DNS changes. If required, we can do it there. App builder for creating beautiful applications. So yeah, we can have our own applications created for our own niche, for our own brand. So one of the best feature which I really feel we should use extensively. After that, another thing which I again like about BuilderAll is it allows us to create unlimited magazines. So it has beautiful templates which we can use. We can do the fill in the blanks and we can use them very often. There are few people who regularly tell me I am very acquainted with WordPress and I want my websites on WordPress. So yes, BuilderAll has the option where we can actually create WordPress based websites if we really want to. However, I will always encourage to use Cheetah over WordPress. But yes, this is an option which if anyone wants, they can use it. On similar lines, they have directory builder to organize all our any of the images or whatever files we want to, we can have them arranged here. Video funnel builder, as the name suggests, it helps us to have the funnels for the videos. Mockup studio, again for editing all the images and the GIF files. Presentation studio, again from editing perspective. Browser notification app, as the name suggests, yes, it is used, I'll say it's used more from business oriented perspective, and yeah, we can use this particular feature as well. So after this, most of these features I have not very frequently used, but yes, I am aware of those. So click map, share locker, one of the key features which we can use, it helps our content to go viral and in all the social media platforms. Okay, so definitely one of the best feature however have not used for my XYZ reason, but yes, I'll be using this very soon. We have the chat builder for our website. E-learning platform, since we already have the new e-learning platform now, this is something we do not use. However, there's an option to use, but yeah, it's recommended that we go for new e-learning rather than e-learning. Script generator, this is more required or more frequently used in case there is something where we really need something from code perspective. Not very frequently used, however. Social proof pop-ups, as the name suggests, yes, anyone coming to your websites, they want to have some different level of pop-ups that you want to give, which is really very attractive. This is the one to be used. VA access, I will not comment right now on this because yes, I've not actually digged into it very deeply. CRM platform, if you want any type of CRM features, you can get it added from this particular feature. So yeah, these are all the features provided by BuilderAll to us. Whichever ones we feel we want, we can get them added onto our dashboard. It's not recommended to have all, because definitely if you have everything, then you'll actually waste your time hunting for everything. That is the reason we just select those which we really want to use. really want. And once this is done, for example, video wrapper, I'm not going to use in near future. So I can simply say, okay, remove it as of now. Okay, so it's out from my dashboard. Okay, so yeah, this is all about the different features that we have in BuilderAll. Any questions, or you want me to give any specific demo on any of these applications, just let me know. I can do it in the upcoming videos. Or else, yeah, this is all about different features which are provided by BuilderAll. From tomorrow, let's focus more on to branding and creating your own social media platform very powerful. Okay, so since tomorrow I am expecting we need to do a lot of hard work, so just be prepared for it, and let's start. Let's start our branding soon. Till then, goodbye, stay safe. Bye bye.